A pleasant day, everyone, as well as to our Gen Math teacher, Sir Randall Vertudes. Welcome to our Mathemateachtalk, week 1 of the second quarter. This presentation is presented by the House of Gamaliel.
Let's start to discuss our topic, which entitled Percentage, Rate, Base, or PRB, and Simple Interest.
Percentage is known as a part of a whole. It is also misinterpreted as together with the percent symbol. Speaking of that percent, this symbol is together with rate, not with percentage. This is the ratio of the amount to the base. And lastly, when talking about the original number or the whole in a problem, you should know that it is called base.
We are going to show you how to solve a word problem with PRB. PRB uses triangle shape to make it easier for us to know the operation or formula we're going to use if one of them is missing. The letter P is placed on the top, while the letter R is placed at the left at the bottom, and B is placed on the right at bottom.
We have prepared word problems. Number 1. What is 10% of 250? Since the percentage is missing, we're going to use this formula. Rate multiplied by base. Our rate is 10% and we do have 250 for the base. We're going to change the percent symbol into decimal. We will move the decimal twice from the right to left. So we have 0.10 for our rate. So 0.10 multiplied by 250 is equal to 25. Therefore, our percentage is 25.
82 is what percent of 214? This is the formula we are going to use. Percentage is divided by base since the rate is missing. Our percentage is 82 and we do have 214 for the base. 82 divided by 214 is equal to 0.3831. We are going to move the decimal point from left to the right twice. So we have 38.31% for our rate.
Let's discuss now our second topic, which is simple interest.
Simple interest is an interest charge that borrowers pay lenders for a loan. Now, simple interest uses an oval shape to make it easier for us to know the operation or formula we're going to use if one of them is missing.
I stands for interest. It is placed on the top. P stands for principal, while small letter R stands for rate. And small letter T stands for time if the interest is missing. You'll just need to multiply principal, rate, and time. If the letters below are missing, you'll just use this formula. Now, we're going to show you how to solve word problems with simple interest.
Interest is charged when 30,000 is borrowed for 6 months at an annual interest rate of 18%. Since the interest is missing, we will just multiply principal, rate, and time. Our principal here is 30,000, while the rate is 18%, and our time is 6 months. We will going to change the rate into decimal form, so we have 0.18. And lastly, we're going to divide the 6 months by 12 months, so we have 0.5 for our time. 30% multiplied by 0.18 and 0.5 is equal to 2,700. And lastly, we're going to add the given number on principal and interest. So we have a total of 32,700.